Hello friends, welcome back again. Today's video I will explain you how we can use the XCHG command in LS PLC. First of all, we will open our XG5000 software, and here we will take the one input IX0, and next we will be choose the command in F10. When you write into the search bar XCHG, after you will be find the command in function list. There is a many type of the XCHG command: bool type, byte type, date type, dint, dt, dword. But in this lecture we will be use only byte. You can see in the description X changes two input datas. Click OK, and after we will be write here one address. An example MB10 we will be use for an example, and here we will be use MB20, and here we will be use output direct of the QB0 for an example 0.0 QB0, and next we will be use QB10. And next, for the verify this command, we will type use some open contacts of the QB 0.0 up to 7. We will be use 0.1, and here one more we will take QB 0.2, QB 0.3, QB 0.4, QB 0.5, QB 0.6 for an example, and QB 0.7, and one we will be take output to complete our line. An example QX10 we will be choose, just only to verify our command, because when we give the signal and this bits will be on and exchange the data, and after you can see the open contacts of the QB0 up to 07. So go to the online and write this program into the PLC, and click OK and make it monitor. But before to type the data, I will explain you in the written. I wrote down some notes for you. You can easily see in the window. You can pause the video and take the screenshot of this lecture. Basically, in LS PLCs, the XCH command is used to swap the values of two memory registers. If register A holds the value 10 for an example, and register B holds the value 20, executing the XCH command will result in register A holding 20 and register B will be holding 10. Here is why and when you should use the XCHG command in your PLC programming. It is highly efficient command, replaces 3 move commands with one command, XCHG. If the XCHG command didn't exist, swapping two values would require two third temporary register and 3 separate move commands. Without XCHG command, if you are not using the XCHG command, you have to be use this 3 commands, 3 move commands. Like to, for an example, D0, if like to be move in D2, store data A in a temporary register. After move D1 to D0, move data B into data A register and move D2 into D1 into data B register. But if you like to use this one with the XCHG command, your ladder will be very close. Benefit: what's the benefit of this command? Using XCHG saves memory, reduce PLC scan time, keeps your ladder logic clean, and eliminates the need to waste a data register just to hold temporary data. An example, we will type it here. For an example, 2 bits we like to be, for example 3, we can type 3 bits we like to be moved into the QB0, and here we will be type this. You can use 3, we will type in the 2 for an example, because of in the binary if we use, we have to be used for the 2, and here for an example you like to be use the 4, and you can click enter, and when you gives the signal at IX0, after you can see QB0.2 is now on, but we are giving the signal at the MB10 moves into the QB0, and you can see this value goes into the QB02. Again when we give the signal, you can see this MB20 moves into the QB0. Again when we give the signal, you can see this data will be swapped and this is changed. And for an example, here you like to be change this 8 number memory bit, and here you will like to be 4 number memory bits, and you will be see as we will give the signal, and you can see this is Q0.3 is on, and as again we will give the signal, QB0.2 will be on. How many times you like to be exchange this data, you can see this is automatically change the data, no need to use any other data registers, right? It's very simple and easy method, and very neat and clean your ladder logic. For an example, here we like to be use the 8 number bit, and here we like to use the 16 number bit, and after you can see this is our QB0.4 is on, and again when you like to be change this data, QB0.3 will be on. You can see it's continuously automatically change the data. So hope guys you will be understand about this XCHG command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.